Hi there, this is Lydia from ClassBuddy.ai, live from the Knowledge Conference in Las Vegas. In today's classroom, students are overwhelmed, teachers are stretched thin, and everyone is buried in content across multiple platforms. We built ClassBuddy.ai to change that. Now, as a student myself, I know what it's like. Missing one class can feel like falling off a cliff. Finding the right information on Canvas or Google Drive takes longer than actually doing the assignment. And for teachers, repeating the same answer 5 times a day drains energy and time. So that's where ClassBuddy.ai comes in. It connects directly to your school's LMS like Canvas, Google Drive, and even Blackboard, and becomes a personalized AI-powered learning assistant. Students can ask, what did I miss yesterday? Can you explain this topic? Help me prepare for tomorrow's quiz. And they'll get answers specific to their course content, just like they would from a real-life teaching assistant. Teachers can customize the assistant, automate common questions, and finally focus on what they love, teaching. Students get 24/7 intelligent help that makes learning less frustrating and more effective. If you want to see how this works or even test it on your campus, come talk to us at Royal Cyber or scan the QR code at our booth. Let's reimagine learning together. This is ClassBuddy.ai, where AI meets real classroom challenges.